Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the game and system so full screen changes stick. Right-click the Sims 2 shortcut and choose Run as administrator so settings save reliably. Once done, close overlays and apps using the GPU. This reduces conflicts with DirectX. Next, open the game folder and find the TS data directory or My Documents /EA Games /The Sims 2. You need that path for config edits. Make sure to keep a quick backup copy of any files you modify. Now you change the in-game resolution and force full screen. Open D3D9, INI, or the appropriate graphics configuration with Notepad. Find the resolution line and enter your monitor values, for example 1920x1080, and change full screen or windowed flags to 1 for true full screen. Once done, save and keep the backup. These edits tell the game to use native display settings instead of a low or windowed mode, which prevents letterboxing and scales UI properly. Finish by testing your changes and fixing common problems. Launch The Sims 2 and confirm it opens in full screen. Check menus and live mode for correct scaling. If you see flicker or black bars, open your GPU control panel and enable exclusive full screen or adjust scaling to display. Once done, if the game refuses to start, revert to your backup file and retry edits with smaller changes. This gives you a safe rollback and isolates which setting caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.